So in this clip, we're going to show you some of the tricks around how to edit a portfolio, such as manage securities, add a new security, change the name, and finally deleting this portfolio completely. Let's start with managing your securities. By manage security, we mean to make some changes to your existing holdings in the portfolio, such as their values and their percentage weights. So let's start by playing around this free trade long-term income portfolio of mine, which is a percentage portfolio. You can click into this edit icon and it gives you the menu option of manage, add, change name and delete. Let's start with manage. Here you can click into different securities and change their weights. You can either use the slider to change the weights or to press on the number and enter the new weights if you like. And the bar on top shows you the remaining allocation, that is the percentage of this portfolio that is still sitting in cash and awaits for your allocation. You can remain that as cash, or you can fully allocate this portfolio into different stocks and funds. You can also delete the security with this process here. For example, in this case, if you want to delete the Invesco S&P 500 ETF, click delete and that fund will no longer be in this portfolio. This process is unrecoverable, so please do that with caution. You can also choose to add a new security into this portfolio. In this case, since there is still remaining allocation, that allows you to further add new securities. And that new securities will consume the cash allocation remaining. So in this case, I'm adding Diageo here and I can put in 5.91%. And as you can see, that remaining allocation decreased. You can also very quickly change the name here of this portfolio if you like. And in here, I just simply choose from long-term to LT. And finally, you can click to delete this portfolio. Once again, this deletion is unrecoverable, so do that carefully. The similar process applies to editing a portfolio that is in value. Follow the same process, click into the security, and you can change the numbers here. And by the way, these numbers are the current market values, so make sure you go back here and update them as frequently as you can. So there you go, these are the tricks and tips about editing a portfolio. Hopefully they are simple and intuitive, so do have a play around with different editing processes and let us know what do you find out.